For me, active citizenship means being active. We don't deliver the truth here. We create something together, and the solutions and the opinions and everything created by the group is what really matters.
So EPA is a training course on education and empowerment for citizenship. How can we be an active citizen? How can we educate young people to be an active citizen? How can we empower them to find their place, their role, their responsibility in society? We have the multipliers, they go home, they contact more people, and they do develop themselves and spread the knowledge. In this training course also we have many educational materials which we share online, and these people can also bring it home and use it, and also then adapt it to the needs of the local target group. So we really try to apply this sharing is caring method so that we really can have an access to all this.
So a course like this is not only a one-week course, it's something that can change also some things in the future.
Try to build a group, a safe atmosphere, and then they can have this good working atmosphere. And when they work in teams, they also design workshops. They design workshops which they can use in the future.
It is about young people being active, doing something that differentiates from the normal. It's about European citizenship, but it starts from being active. Active participation in your home country, being a citizen in your home country, and then we gather together this group of people who are all active citizens just by coming here to a training course. Shows an interest in the European dimension, you can say, of citizenship. They all come with experiences, they come with backgrounds, and they come with futures, which will all be shaped by being here.
And citizenship in general means responsibility, to take our part of responsibility in the society.
We need the young generation to also challenge, provoke and develop something new. If we don't do that, then I don't see the future to be very bright for any of us. Tillykke med fødselsdagen, Tace.
С днем рождения, Тейш. Paljon õnne sünnipäevaks, Teish.
Χρόνια πολλά, Teish.
Iki doğdun, Teish.
Ramadan, Teish.
Bon compleanno, Teish.
Χρόνια πολλά, Teish.
Teish, wszystko najlepsze.
Buon compleanno, Teish.
Buon compleanno!